Good people, what it is with you, yo, buddy. Happy Sunday with it, y'all. Happy Sunday with it. We got a situation going on here. We got a no start or no stay running on this situation. We about to put this old top down to work. Top down. Do a testeroo on her. Let's see what we come up with. Oh man, we got juice? Do we got juice? Let's see if that old top line even come on. We ain't even got enough juice. We ain't even got enough juice on that bad boy. Alright, so we're gonna do a jumperoo on it. I'm gonna jump the battery. Cause that thing completely dead. With it being completely dead like that. Completely dead? Usually, you know, it's safe to say, you know, something is killing the battery. But I don't know. Now that I look at it, 03 of 21 looks like to be the battery. So we're gonna jump it off. Yeah, we're gonna do a jumperoo on it and see what we can come up with. All right, we got Bull to the rescue. Yeah, buddy. And we're gonna do a crankaroo on her. We're gonna do a crankaroo on her. Let's see what we got up in here. Okay, we got something going on up there. Can we do a crankaroo on her real quick? Oh man, they crunk up. Okay. Now, let's see if it'll stay running. Let's see if it'll stay running. Oh, I got the keys in my hand. Let's see if it'll stay running. Long enough to test. Okay. Let's see. Cables off of here. That old top down on them. Real good voltage on it. Oh, come on now. I want to make sure the post is, I usually do that first, but make sure the post is tight. Put that old top down on it. Okay, guys. So I got 14.3 volts, 14.5. So what does that tell you? What does that tell you? That tells you that this Infiniti need a battery. Yeah, buddy. Which is good news. Good news. 'Cause, you know, alternator is definitely a lot. A battery is definitely a lot cheaper than an alternator. I'll tell you that. Yeah. All right, guys. So yeah, we found that out, and we good to go now. Thanks for watching. On to the next video.